I'm so glad to be here with you all to celebrate the grand opening of the newly renovated Visitor Center.
It starts with coming up from the dam tour. So you come up through the elevator bank and you're introduced to a wide view of the dam, but then also introduced to the interpretive storytelling. You walk in, you're introduced to the idea of flowing waters, talks about the Colorado River, and you're presented with a video screen that explains some of the concepts. From there, you enter up a walkway and you proceed through a tunnel which is meant to mimic the construction site. And architecturally, we reused a lot of existing spaces within the building. And then as you come through that tunnel, you're presented with the construction site of the Hoover Dam. When you're introduced to the larger exhibit area, then you see the different components of the storytelling. There's the, how it was made. There's the life of the workers, the life of the family, and then you pass through a dam wall that signifies that you're inside the dam and you see the inner workings of the dam and how that functions.
I wanted to thank specifically some of the key people that really made this project a great success. We have Lance Kirk and Gio Pezzi from LGA Architecture. They're our design firm. They also hired the interpretive design team and coordinated all the efforts.
Thank you for transforming this facility into a modern space that greatly enhances the overall visitor experience.